Hiring and training best practices for 2021 secret weapon, pre-employment tests. The global health crisis has upended business as usual, from the staggering rise in remote work to sudden shifts in operating models. There is currently no business as usual. Not surprisingly, these abrupt changes have exacerbated the already growing skill gaps organizations grapple with daily. While most business leaders are aware of the growing skill gaps in their organization, many do not know how to fix them. Gartner recently reported that the majority, 68% of human resource leaders identify building critical skills and competencies as their top priority for 2021. But with nearly 4 in 10 admitting they do not know what skills their employees lack, HR leaders have their work cut out for them. To balance today's pressing skills shortages with a return to long-term competitiveness, organizations need to focus on scalable strategies. HR leaders must look to technology-driven tools to develop the resilient and sustainable hiring and training practices they need now. Transform your talent management strategies to keep pace in today's rapidly evolving business environment. Leverage pre-employment tests to identify skill gaps, develop targeted training programs, redeploy internal workers, and secure talent with the skills you need most. Learn more about these critical hiring and training best practices. Download the executive report on this page. Interested in pre-employment tests for hiring and training? Learn more about the benefits of using eSkills pre-employment assessment tests, behavioral assessments, an on-demand video interviewing solution to find qualified candidates quickly. eSkill.com. Request a demo today.